Daddy.
Oh.
May kamatch na ako.
Huh?
Teka, may kamatch ka na rin, no?
Siya yung unang nag-message.
Sabi.
Retired general, 65 years old.
Ganun pala mga type mo, ah.
Ano ka ba? Yun ang sabi ng algorithm ng app mo.
Uy, pinili mo
Diyos
naman.
ko. At one point, you stop asking yourself too many questions. You wake up in the morning, you clean the house, do your work. Habang tumatanda ako, minsan hindi ko na rin alam kung anong mararamdaman ko. I've been getting those worried faces lately. Mas mahaba ang mga araw. And I just know, I can't be happy all the time. Siguro nga, everything gets easier with time.
Pasok na pasok ka. Now, sabihin mo na you've seen it all.
You think we only get one great love and that's it?
Totoong isa lang talaga ang great love natin. Patay tayo dalawa dyan.
Feeling ko, friendship is the most romantic of relationships. Mas mapag-unawa, mas pagbigay, mas malaya.